DancingWind, the founder of Sacred Earth Connection. Today's guest for you is beautiful nature, all of nature. And nature has so many amazing teachings for us. And I usually feature just one with a specific being of nature. But today I thought I would bring you a teaching that all of nature is always inviting us to experience, and that is opening up to experiences beyond our personal filters. Every one of us has our own distinct filters, and these filters were acquired from when we were born. And it's based on all our different experiences and things we've learned, things we've been told, just a lot of acquiring, and it just piles up and makes up our filters. So how we see the world is very unique to each of us. And nature is always inviting us to be wide open to the unknown and to surprises, so that we never miss the wonders that are there for us. A perfect example of how we all have our own filters is that you could have a crowd of 50 people looking at a beautiful sunset, and after the experience you could ask each one of them what they saw or what they experienced, and each one of them would have different details that for some it would be very prominent, and for others it wouldn't even be noticeable. And so this actually became it became a surprise for me myself the other day when I was hiking, and I perceived a grouse. I've been spending time with nature all my life, and so I do have these preconceived ideas of what I see. Even though I'm always wide open to wonder, I can still fall into that. And this is why I wanted to really feature this today. When I saw this grouse, it was up in the branches of a tree, and it was in the shadows. What I'm used to seeing is the ruffed grouse. That's the species that I'm familiar with. And so I immediately assumed that's what it was. When I got home, I decided to look at my photographs more closely, and I was able to take out the shadow with my photography software and to reveal the beautiful identity of this grouse that was actually a spruce grouse that I had never even seen. This was the first time that I encountered one, and I didn't know that they existed until this one appeared. And so this is our invitation for you today. Beautiful nature and I invite you to always be open to perceiving and receiving more beyond your filters. Even if you think that what you see is something, be open to it being something completely different. And notice how much more amazing your time in nature and in life in general is as well, when you don't have this I know this already type of attitude, or it's the same thing again. You know, just open yourself to a new adventure with all your experiences. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and know others who might benefit from it, do share. I wish you continued incredible wonders to reveal themselves to you as you open yourself further beyond your filters to experience more. And I send you great love.